Are you looking for the best air purifiers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best air purifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Dyson Pure HP01 Air Purifier. The iClever TM209G is a wireless vertical ergonomic mouse designed to improve comfort and reduce wrist strain during extended computer use. Its vertical design promotes a natural handshake grip, helping to alleviate discomfort associated with traditional mice. The mouse features 3 adjustable DPI levels, 800, 1200, and 1600, for customizable cursor sensitivity, 6 buttons including left and right click, a scroll wheel, and forward/backward navigation buttons. It connects via a 2.4 GHz wireless USB receiver, offering a stable connection with a range of up to 33 feet, and is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Users report that it effectively reduces wrist discomfort, though it may take a short period to adjust to the vertical grip. Overall, the iClever TM209G provides an affordable and practical solution for enhancing wrist comfort during prolonged computer use. Number 2. Turonic PH950 Air Purifier. The Turonic PH950 is a versatile air purifier and humidifier combo designed for large rooms, covering spaces up to 4,200 square feet. It features an advanced 8-stage filtration system, including a true HEPA 13 filter, activated carbon, cold catalyst, cotton filter, mesh pre-filter, UVA light, ionizer, and a built-in humidifier, effectively removing 99.98% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns, including allergens, dust, smoke, odors, and harmful gases. The unit operates quietly, with noise levels as low as 36 dB in sleep mode, and offers smart auto mode with 8 adjustable fan speeds based on real-time air quality detected by its PM2.5 sensor. Users can control the PH950 via touch panel, remote, or Wi-Fi app, and it includes features such as a 12-hour timer, filter health indicator, and air quality display. While some users note the humidifier's water reservoir is relatively small and the remote may be redundant, the PH950 is widely praised for its powerful performance, sleek design, and comprehensive air quality management for larger living spaces. Number 3. LEVOIT Air Purifiers. The LEVOIT Core 400S P-Smart Air Purifier is designed for large rooms up to 1,733 square feet, featuring a 3-stage HEPA filtration system that captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, smoke, pollen, and pet dander. It includes AirSight Plus technology with a laser dust sensor and PM2.5 display for real-time air quality monitoring. The purifier operates quietly with quiet KEAP technology, maintaining noise levels as low as 24 dB, and is energy efficient, consuming approximately 24 watts. It offers smart controls via the VE Sync app and supports voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Equipped with auto mode, sleep mode, and AHAM verification, it ensures clean air tailored to your environment. Filter replacement is recommended every 6 to 8 months. Overall, the LEVOIT Core 400S P provides efficient, quiet, and intelligent air purification, making it an excellent choice for homes with pets, allergies, or large living spaces. Number 4. BLUEAIR Bedroom Air Purifier. The BLUEAIR BluePure 411 is a compact and efficient air purifier designed for small rooms, making it ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or home offices. It covers up to 161 square feet and features a clean air delivery rate, CADR, of 120 CFM for dust, 105 CFM for smoke, and 120 CFM for pollen, ensuring rapid air purification. Utilizing BLUEAIR's proprietary HEPA silent technology, it combines mechanical and electrostatic filtration to remove up to 99% of airborne pollutants, including dust, pet dander, smoke, and pollen. The 3-stage filtration system includes a washable pre-filter, a particle filter, and an activated carbon filter, capturing particles as small as 0.1 microns. Operating quietly, it won't disrupt sleep or work environments, and its minimalist design with fabric pre-filters in various colors blends seamlessly with home decor. Energy Star certified and consuming approximately 10 watts, it is energy efficient and cost-effective. Maintenance is simple, with the washable pre-filter extending the life of the main filters, which typically require replacement every 6 months. Overall, the BLUEAIR for 11 offers effective filtration, quiet performance, and stylish design, making it an excellent choice for small spaces. Number 5. Coway AP1512HH Air Purifier. The Coway AP1512HH Mighty Air Purifier is a powerful and compact air purifier designed for medium-sized rooms up to 361 square feet, providing 4.8 air changes per hour. It features a 4-stage filtration system including a pre-filter, deodorization filter, true HEPA filter, and bipolar ionizer, capturing up to 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, such as pollen, dust, smoke, and other allergens. The purifier offers a clean air delivery rate, CADR, of 246 CFM for dust, 240 CFM for pollen, and 233 CFM for smoke. Operating quietly at 24 to 53 dB/A, and consuming only 77 watts, it is energy efficient for continuous use. Users can customize operation with 1, 4, and 8-hour timers and 5 airflow modes, including auto and eco. The deodorization filter lasts about 6 months, while the true HEPA filter lasts approximately 1 year. With its efficient filtration, quiet performance, and user-friendly features, the Coway AP1512HH Mighty is an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality in homes and offices.